Hey guys, guess what? I have a flat tire, so I'm stuck on the highway trying to fix this crap. I know how to change a tire. I have my spare, but the problem is I can't get these freaking caps off that cover the lug bolts because I can't find the right tool. So, yeah, you know, I tried these tiny pliers that I have. I can't seem to grab it. And then I tried this. And I tried this. No luck. This is the only thing that's keeping me from changing the tire out. But this is what happens when you don't have the right tool. And I'm supposed to, but I just can't find it. So, I don't know. Alright. So, I tried taking this hanger, bending it so that I can catch the little lip in there and then maybe grab it, but it seems that the metal is too soft and it just keeps bending. So next thing I'm going to try is I have this garage opener that's broken, and I took the metal clip part of it and I bent it to kind of recreate the tool that I need to grab those things. So let's give it a shot. Honestly, I don't know what to do anymore because it's not working. This tool is not grabbing it. I got one off, but it's an easy one because this one goes over the wheel lock, so it's kind of just like not even really on. The other ones are like stuck there. Just need one freaking piece of plastic that is supposed to be somewhere in my car. Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna go try to look for it again. If not, I really don't even know like what to ask for. Like if I ask my dad to come here, like I don't even think anything else will really work. And that's Audi specific, so I don't know, man. Alright. So my GoPro camera died, but I got 4 out of the 5 caps off. I'm using this spanner wrench from the coils that I am selling. So I should be able to, once I get this last one off, I should be able to change the tires and I should be able to get to church. The service is already done, but I'm trying to make it there anyways. And so yeah, it's been maybe like an hour now. I've been working out on these caps. So I use the spanner wrench to get it loose, and then I use this makeshift tool to pry it out. So, alright, I should be good now, so I'll see you guys later. So, I was finally able to get all the caps off, but unfortunately my jack is broken. It's a scissor jack and the thread is stripped, so it's not spinning, letting me raise the wheel off the ground. So I'm waiting for Phoebe to come. She's bringing a jack so I can finally get out of here. I've been here since like 10 something and now it's now 1:16 and I'm hungry. Okay, bye.
Oh, hi guys.
Hi.
I picked him up. I came to the rescue.
Yeah.
Also with Hannah and Ian, but they're at Target now.
Now I get to eat. Thank you so much for the jack and for the food. See, it takes like 5 minutes to change a tire. I'm actually in a rental car. This is from that same company that I rented the Jaguar for my birthday. I know I did have a bad experience, but I had $100 credit and I had to use it before the end of the month, so I figured I'd give it a shot. This time I took 1 billion pictures and uploaded them, sent the company an email like they suggest to document the condition of the car, any damages, all that stuff. So hopefully, you know, when I return the car, I'll take another bajillion pictures and hopefully there won't be any issues. So it actually, you know, really worked out that I actually rented the car, or booked the car before I got my flat tire. So I'm gonna have this car for a couple days, and I ordered a tire for the car, and if I don't get it soon, then I guess I'll just put on my snow tires, and then that should be good though, so I won't be driving that car for a couple days at least. So I got this really cheap car. It's a Saturn Astra, and it's the guy didn't even clean his car and before handing it to me, but it's a, you know, it's a cheap car, and it's basically just something to I don't know, drive some miles on, use up the credit that I had. Let me go around the car. I mean, it looks okay. Let me not show you the. Let me not show you the license plate, because I might get in trouble for that. But it's a Saturn Astra, stinky 4-speed automatic transmission. I didn't know they still made those, but I was driving at 60 miles per hour, and it was already, I went up to like 70 miles per hour, and it was already at like 3,500 RPM. So I was like, oh, I guess I'm driving 60, save gas. But let me show you the spare tire of my car. Actually, it looks pretty cool. What's up, guys? So happy Thanksgiving. I just want to say thanks to all of my subscribers. You know, it's been a long journey, but we made it. You know, like it's I never thought that I would have 8 subscribers. You know, I know I haven't been consistent with my videos. You know, like I was planning to do a video every week, and now, you know, this will be probably 3 weeks since my last video. But I just want to thank all of you for sticking with me and, you know, staying subscribed. So just thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. Anyways, so I'm returning the car. I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures just to make sure I don't get gypped like I did last time with the Jaguar. And yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna have brunch with my church mates, and then maybe I'll finally get to sleep, because I worked for 7 days in a row. Yesterday I did a double essentially, and I'm just so tired. So it's been crazy because I've been getting up early, doing a bunch of errands and stuff. So yeah, that's it for now. Once again, thank you, YouTube. It's been a great couple months, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. I'm back in my car, as you noticed, and so I drove the rental car from Monday to Thursday, returned it Thanksgiving morning. Friday I was able to use my grandpa's car to go to work, and then Friday I received my tire from eBay, and then Saturday I had it replaced. So Saturday I had my car back, and it worked out pretty well. And luckily, you know, as you know from the Jaguar videos, the owner has 24 hours to report damage, and he didn't report any damage, and even if he did, I was totally ready. So this time it was a better experience, and so yeah, that really worked out. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I really had a lot to be thankful for. Oh, and I passed my BCPS. So what that stands for is Board Certified Pharmacotherapy Specialist. Yes, I am a pharmacist, and I graduated in 2014, and I did a residency, and in my residency I fell in love with emergency medicine and critical care, so that's what I want to focus on. I did not get into a second year of residency, so in pharmacy you can do 2 years of residency. This is really just postgraduate training, kind of the path to become a clinical pharmacist. And so after you do your residency, you can sit for this test, which is called BCPS. The other option is if you didn't do a residency, then you have to wait 3 years of hospital experience before you can sit for this test. But it was a difficult test, a lot of studying, and I'm actually, taking a break now. Because right after it was like graduation, then residency, and then BCPS, and then now I passed it, and now I can just chillax for a while, working on some clinical projects, but it's definitely a lot more chill than the last couple years have been. So, it's been a great year, a lot to be thankful for. I have a full-time job now, a great family, a great church, a great girlfriend, and so yeah, I hope you guys had a great holiday, and I will see you next time. Peace.